Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use virtual background on Zoom. So you come and click on new meeting. You start a new meeting. So you open to something like what you are seeing on the screen. So you come to the video symbol here and then click on the small arrow. Then you go to adjust background and effects. Then when you come here, you can choose any background you want from a list of the images that are shown. So for example, if I want to use this one as my background, as you can see, it has just changed. If I do also want that one and I want to change it to something else. So for example, I can just use, let me just go back and change the picture to say this one. So you see, I've changed my background. If I don't want this one and I want to also still change it, let me go to another one. So this one, you see, it has changed. Now, if you don't want it and you also want to add your own, maybe you want to add your own picture, so you can still come back and then click on the plus button. You want to add your own image or your own video. I want to add an image here. So let's say I want to use so let's say I want to use this one. So you see, yeah, so that is how you can add a background, or you can use a background, a virtual background in Zoom. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.